Hey, you guys, it's Coach Ben here with another Give and Grow Breathwork. If you're new to this channel, if you're new to these videos, welcome. We're excited you're here. These are a great opportunity to relax, to drop in a state of peace, right? To get our mind right, our emotions right, our body right through the combination of breathwork and music that you'll enjoy. So today's song that we have all focuses around the word flexible, being flexible with our expectations. Right? We might expect to win a game. We might expect somebody to act a certain way or to respond a certain way when we do something, but can we be flexible in those expectations, right? Can we basically ride the waves of life without being so structured that those waves are going to break us down when things don't go our way? Okay, that's the theme of today. And the song that I've picked out is called Sunlight by a group called Flexible Fire. All right, and this is a nice smooth beat. And so to practice being able to flow and be flexible, we're going to try out a few different rhythms to this one song. So we'll start off slow, then we'll go fast, then we'll go slow, then we'll go fast, training ourselves basically to be able to flow with whatever energy might be present with us. All right, so be flexible. Flow with this. If you want to move your body to this practice, you can. If you want to lie down or sit down, you can do that too. When I say in, breathe in through your nose. When I say out, breathe out through your mouth. Let's flow. You can close your eyes. In. Sometimes things don't go our way, out, so we speed up. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Life slows down. In, out, in, we flow, out, in, out, in through your nose, fill up your belly. Fast again. In, out, in, out. Can we flow in, out? Can we be flexible? In, out. Beautiful. In, I can flow. Out, I'm flexible. In, I can flow. Out, I'm flexible. In, in, out, slow again, in, out, in, way in, fill up your belly, fill up your chest, hold your breath at the top. Feel into your body. Notice how you feel right now. And while you're connecting with your body, can you reconnect with that idea of being flexible? Being able to go with the flow and ride the waves that life brings our way. Whether we're enjoying life and it's super good and beautiful, or it's challenging and pleasant, lonely and sad. Can we be flexible with those waves of emotions so that they don't break us down, but so we flow with them like a palm tree flows in a storm, bending, 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 but not breaking. This is what being flexible is all about. Whenever you're ready, you can let go of your breath hold. You can open your eyes. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for coming and taking time for yourself to breathe along, to connect with this idea of being flexible, which is just so helpful in our day-to-day life because there's going to be highs, there's going to be lows. Can we find our flow by being flexible? You already know it's time to grow. See you in the next video.